Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint Kora. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. Also, have 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 2 cups of chilled water ready. These foundational elements are crucial for a refreshing drink. Next, let's prepare the mint. Wash your mint leaves thoroughly and pat them dry. Place the clean mint leaves into a blender along with the 2 tablespoons of sugar, the 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, and the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add about 1/4 cup of the chilled water to help the ingredients blend smoothly into a fine paste. Blend until completely smooth. Now, for the refinement. Pour the blended mint mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a pitcher, pressing down to extract all the liquid. Discard the pulp. Add the remaining 1 3/4 cups of chilled water to the mint concentrate. Stir well. Taste the Kora and adjust the sugar or lemon juice to achieve your preferred balance of sweet and tangy flavors. Your mint Kora is now ready to enjoy. Pour it over ice cubes in your favorite glass. For an extra touch, garnish with a fresh mint sprig or a thin lemon slice. This drink is best served chilled and fresh. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed all day long. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.